How to export successfully. Steps to successful exporting. We all want to expand our business to new heights. By overcoming or conquering the local or domestic market, the focus shifts to the international market. Almost every businessman at some or other point dream of expanding the venture to international market, but only a few of them actually work on it. Most of them are scared of the loss or the charges and expenditure required for an easy export. A successful businessman is not afraid of the outcome, but he focuses more on the quality of the product, which will eventually lead him to success. Here are some tips for you to successful exporting. 1. Find connections. This is the foremost thing to do. Good connections and relations help you to build a good ground for overseas business. Some people even choose to tie up with foreign-based entrepreneurs as they have more knowledge about the local buyers and their mindset. Yes, this includes few possible risks, but a good research will help you through. 2. Travel. In order to learn about the market, people and culture, you will need to travel the country once. Relations cannot be superficially built over the phone. You will need to research, find contacts and discuss your ideas with them in a formal business meeting. Attend trade shows or any such symposium which can help you with your venture. 3. Advertise. Advertising is the prime factor behind every successful venture. Advertise in a way which connects to the mass audience. Find out the loopholes, the mindset of people, culture, and weave them together to yield a promising advertising and marketing strategy. Half of the battle is won by convincing the customers by proper advertisements. With the internet and social media, the things are more promising today. You can create websites, helpline, mail support, and advertise your venture on social media platforms for an affordable fees. Your main aim should be to target the right audience. 4. Get help. Apart from building up contacts, focus on building up an efficient staff. It is not a one-way but a collective game. Success is dependent on a lot of factors, with unity being the utmost. Group activities fetch more benefits than alone. Ask your staff about their ideas, suggestions in making this fruitful, appreciate them and take their suggestions into account. Often great ideas or suggestions come from the staff members which we avoid listening to. How to build an exporting website. Creating an exporting website is one of the most successful businesses out there. It works online. The owner of this exporting website status makes money by selling the exporting products and services. The big question is, how do I get people to buy the products, services from my site? Did I just say site? I do not have a website. Of course, this is the first requirement for an exporting. You need a website that can help you sell the products, services effectively. So, how do you go about building an exporting website? What should you know? Find your niche. Get your keyword. You want to start your exporting business in an area where there is little competition. You want to be the only one in that business. It could also work the other way, where you are part of the competition for a certain product and you want to come through to the top. This is the first step in building your exporting website. Buy a domain. You do not want people coming to your site knowing that you are an exporter. They would prefer to go to the official product website if they can find it. So, disguise your service. Your exporting website will have its own domain, mybusiness.com. People will be able to remember your URL much more easily than having to type out a URL with some special numbers and symbols. Hosting your exporting website. The next step is to get your website hosted on the internet. There are many hosting providers and many of them offer free packages. If you are down on money, you could opt for one of these free limited packages and use it until you have enough money to upgrade to a better hosting package. WorldLoyalWebsite.com provides you best web hosting service in the world. They also offers free domain name and free web design for your exporting website. Now comes the interesting part of actually getting the exporting website created. You will need to choose a good website builder to accomplish this part. You can do it yourself or get some professional to do it for you. Content is an important aspect of your site. Without proper content, your site will be like a rose bush in the desert. It will just die and no one will ever find your site. It is the most crucial part of your site building venture. Keep in mind that keywords play an important role in SEO. Choose an exporting business that goes along with your niche. You will find plenty of them. Join the business and place appropriate links on your site. If don't know how to design your exporting website, don't worry, WeLoyalWebsite.com helps you to design your exporting website for free. All you need to do is just contact us via email at contact@loyalwebsite.com. We will help you to start design your exporting website for free. Useful resources for beginner. These video may help you avoid some of the growing pains when it comes to your first exporting website. Enjoy. And that's it. I'm more than confident that your initial sales funnel setup should now be finished and ready to go, and all that should have been really damn easy, unlike my first time. Lucky you. If you are having any problems designing sales funnel on your website, please contact us. WeLoyalWebsite.com helps you to set up your sales funnels for free. If by some unfortunate circumstance you get stuck or have any questions for me about how to create a blog, just get in touch with me or contact me via email. I'll help you out with any problems. Go to loyalwebsite.com and claim your domain name for free. How to register a domain name for free. If you want to register a domain name to start create sales funnels or make a website, then this is the best option for you. Normally, a domain name costs $14.99 per year and website hosting plans start from $7.99 per month. This is a lot of money if you are just starting out. Luckily, LoyalWebsite.com has agreed to offer our users a free domain name, SSL certificate, and 60% discount on web hosting. Basically, you can pay $3.95 per month for web hosting, and you will get a domain name for free, so you can start your website without a lot of money. To get your website up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. It's possible to set up a website yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. If you have the budget, consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the site to look the way you want and include the features you need, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines, and creating text and images. For more information, watch this video by Founder with a detailed explanation of what it takes to set up website and develop it. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media, and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which affiliate marketing website structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, WeLoyalWebsite.com will help you to set up done-for-you affiliate marketing website for free. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.